Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Replit, one of the most talked about AI-powered app creation and coding platforms right now. If you've ever wondered, can I really build apps straight away from my browser? How powerful is Replit's AI? And is it actually worth paying for? Then stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether Replit is the right tool for you. Replit is a cloud-based development platform that allows you to write, run, test, and deploy code entirely from your browser. No downloads, no complicated setup, you just log in and start building. What makes Replit different from traditional coding tools is that it combines a full online coding environment, built-in hosting and deployment, real-time collaboration, and most importantly, AI-powered app creation. So Replit isn't just an online code editor anymore. It's positioning itself as a platform where you can describe what you want to build in plain English, and the AI helps generate, improve, and debug the code for you. Now let us talk about the main features of Replit. Browser-based coding environment. Replit runs fully in your browser. That means you can code from any computer, any operating system, and anywhere with internet access. You still get essentials like syntax highlighting, a terminal, file management, and debugging tools, but without installing anything locally. AI agent, which is the star of the show. This is where Replit really stands out. The Replit AI agent can generate code from natural language prompts, it can fix bugs and explain errors, it can add features to existing projects, and also refactor and clean up messy code. So instead of just auto-completing lines of code, the AI can work at a project's level, helping you build actual applications faster. That said, it's not magic. You still need to review what it creates. Real-time collaboration. Replit makes teamwork easy. Multiple people can edit the same project at the same time. They can see changes instantly. They can collaborate without sending files back and forth. This is especially useful for remote teams, classrooms, and pair programming. Built-in hosting and deployment. Once your app is ready, you can deploy it directly from Replit. That means your apps can go live with a public URL. There's no separate hosting setup needed, no complex server configuration. And for beginners and small projects, this is a huge time saver. Multi-language support. It supports a wide range of programming languages like Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Node.js, and many others. This makes it flexible for different kinds of projects, from simple scripts to full web apps. Let us talk about integrations as well. You can connect databases, APIs, authentication systems, and third-party services directly into your project. This allows you to build real-world applications and not just story projects. So what is the pricing of Replit like? There's the free plan, which is the starter plan. You can build anything, although you're limited as to what you can do. There is the Replit Core, which is $20 per month when billed annually. There's the Teams plan at $35 per user per month when billed annually. And there's the Enterprise plan where you do a custom pricing with the contacts. What are the pros and cons of using Replit? First, the pros. No setup is required. You just code instantly. Powerful AI assistance that saves time. Built-in hosting and deployment. It is also great for collaboration and learning, and it supports many languages and frameworks. The free plan also lets you test before buying. How about the cons? AI output isn't always perfect, although it can be improved on. The heavy AI usage can get expensive because to do extra work, you have to run credits. It is not ideal for mission-critical enterprise systems. And there are some limitations compared to local development setups. But after considering all of this, is Replit actually worth it? Well, the answer is yes for the right type of user. Overall, Replit stands out as one of the best AI-powered app creation platforms available today, especially if speed and simplicity matter to you. For beginners, creators, indie developers, and small teams, Replit offers an incredibly convenient all-in-one experience. And for large-scale, high-risk production systems, you may want to combine Replit with more traditional development workflows. And that's it on the review of Replit. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore GitHub Codespaces, Cursor, and Lovable. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.